Hey, Christopher here. Thank you for downloading my instrument. I'm really excited you chose to download it. I'm just going to give you a short little demo of how to open it quickly and also a great tip so you don't have to do the same process over and over again. So you go to your download folder, open the zip. Oh dear, this took quite longer than I thought it would. Anyway, I fast forward. Yes, and then you open your instrument, you open Kontakt, there, and then you just pull the NKI file in there and load it. Great. So that works, and that was smooth, but you don't want to do this every time. You don't want to go in here and push and drag. So what you do is that you give this one a nice little picture like that, and then sometimes you have to duplicate the track in order for the library to come up, so we'll just do that for the sake of the video. And then this library will come up, and you go and push save, and you choose a name, call it flags, and it will be routed here to instruments, which will be put there in user patches. But anyway, you can create a new folder and name it whatever you want. Samples, and push create, and now if I push save, it's going to end up there, but I want it on guitar, so I'm going to push save, and then it's saved there in the user patches, guitars, and there it's flags. So if we create a new track here, empty one, and go to user patches, guitars, and flags, the instrument will load. Yeah, great. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this instrument. Cheers.